Budgeting in You Need a Budget involves following 4 key principles. Give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. Here's how to budget effectively in YNAB. Give every dollar a job. Assign every dollar of your income to a specific category in your budget. This ensures that all your money has a purpose and helps you prioritize your spending. Embrace your true expenses. Anticipate and budget for irregular or infrequent expenses, such as car repairs, vacations, or annual insurance premiums. Allocate funds to these categories each month so you're prepared when the expenses arise. Roll with the punches. Flexibility is key. If you overspend in one category, cover the shortfall by reallocating funds from another category. YNAB encourages you to adapt your budget as needed to accommodate changing circumstances. Age your money. Aim to increase the age of your money, which measures how long it takes for the money you spend to move from when you earned it to when you spend it. By budgeting efficiently and living on last month's income, you can build a buffer and reduce financial stress.